Hey everyone, Chintu here. So today I'm going to review Insta360 X5 action camera paired with Telesin second gen 1.2 meter invisible selfie stick. So right now I'm shooting the video on Telesin second gen stick paired with Insta360 X5 camera, and let's see how it performs indoors. So let's get started. So this is the Telesin second gen 1.2 meter selfie stick carbon fiber build which I have brought from Amazon, and these are the attachments for the stick, and this is the pouch which I have received, and this is all coming in this box. So here right now you can see the length of the stick, like it's okay. The bill looks sturdy and it's quite lightweight, and here you can see there is the 3-prong adapter mount, like instead of 1/4-inch screw, and these are the attachments for attaching the action cameras or mobile holders. So this gets into here. So just make sure it is aligned correctly, or else you might damage these fiber build attachments. So make sure it is aligned properly, and to check if it is aligned properly or not, just try to insert this screw. If it goes freely up to 90%, then you can confirm that it is okay, that attachment is secured correctly, and you can just screw it here. Yeah, so this is done, and as you can see, yeah, okay, now it is done. So the setup will be mostly like this. Okay, let's pair it with my Insta360 X5. Okay, I just got my Insta360 camera, which is the X5 model, and I'm just trying to mount it here. So just mount the camera smoothly so as to not to spoil the threads which are inside the camera. Yeah, so here I could see there's a slight, like it is not aligned properly, like with this stick, like I'm able to rotate here. So let's just make it here. Yeah, so now it is lined properly with this thumb screw. So we will just check how the invisibility is being shown after recording with this camera. So I will just turn on the camera, just long press the power button. Yeah, so now I'll just fix this. Yeah, okay, so I will just twist to lock. The twist to lock option is enabled, so I will just twist twice. Yeah, okay, so I haven't extended the stick yet, so you can see right in the mirror. So this is the length of the stick, and I will just try to extend the stick by twisting it counterclockwise. to unlock and clockwise to lock. Okay, yeah, so this is the length of the fully extended Telesin 1.2 meter selfie stick. I hope the length is quite good. Let's just test the invisibility of this extended stick. I pointed the camera in 45-degree angle. Let's go find it. And this is the balcony area. Okay. Now I have just twisted a slight bit because I felt the screw is not tight enough for the camera, but here you can see it is slightly deviated, and we will just check if this thumb screw comes in stitch line, if we are able to get the same invisible effect. So it's cloudy here. Here the camera is attached via thumb screw, long thumb screw. Like if it is aligned straight to the camera, then we don't see any artifacts, but if it is aligned, misaligned, let's say if I just screw this like it is okay, now it is somewhat tighter. Okay, you can see the camera is misaligned, like it is not aligned straight to the stick. In this case, this thumb screw artifact comes when stitching in full 360-degree view. So here you can see I have using this M5 20mm screw with socket head, which is smaller, and you can see the thread lengths. It is almost identical, but 2 mm long. So let's just try to fix it in the Telesin stick. So here I am just placing the screw. You can see it goes slides directly, meaning the mount is aligned perfectly, and I will just screw it, the thread. Just slightly okay. Let's just Okay, I think it should be fine, but let me just cross. Yeah, now it is perfectly fixed. As you can see, there is no long screw, and even if the camera is not aligned, let's say previously it was in this manner with respect to stick, if I just rotate the stick here slightly, because okay, now the camera is snug fit here. Let's just record this and see whether the invisible effect is as good as with the thumb screw which comes attached with the Telesin product. You can see I have just replaced the long thumb screw with this M5 20mm socket head screw. So let's just check. Let me just tighten this intersection rods. Yeah, okay. So let's see how the footage comes, and you can see the camera is not straightly aligned. It is a bit cross because I just tightly fit, not tightly, like I have just fitted this camera, and I think the screw thread is a margin of error, not more. Let's see how the footage comes. The camera is tilted. So here I'm back right now. Back to the hall. So you just watched the video, right? So let me know in the comments, like, what are your opinion on Telesin second gen 1.2 meter invisible selfie stick, and the reason I have choose the Telesin second gen 1.2 meter stick over the original Insta360 1.2 meter invisible stick is because of twist and lock mechanism. And why I have chosen the twist and lock mechanism is that, like, I'm planning to use that selfie stick in bike mounts, because the original Insta360 stick has the pull to release mechanism. So with the due to the vibrations that might get pulled down, so it's not suitable. So that's the reason I have opted for the Telesin twist and lock system. And also there are many other third-party selfie sticks as well for the Insta360 X5, and some are in aluminum build and few are carbon fiber, like the cheap carbon fiber build. Not sure the what build this Telesin second gen carbon fiber uses, but it's lightweight and easy to hold, and also the stick gets invisible in the post. It's pretty decent. And one thing I have noticed is, like, when you twist or give a sudden movements or vibrations, even if you lock the upper part of the Telesin section, the upper part is usually thinner, so it is very not very fragile. Like, if there are heavy vibrations, then it gets pulled down. So make sure if you're using the Insta360 X5 camera in the bike mount or any heavy vibrations, make sure you pull down the first two lens down and then fit it anywhere, or choose any more hard build, like let's say the aluminum builds or the stainless steel or metal builds. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope you guys like the video. Have a great day.